Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Just when this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant tongue.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
Horrible.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Monster in the sky, Saturday! My cool was out sweet, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
I understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 incognito unit in position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
On the door. Nothing but back here.
They're working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sony, hurry up. I've got most of a setup on the scale.
Race you to the scare floor.
Never find her door now.
Look, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. You'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mine, but not me.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.